Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to reveal some secret about retail arbitrage and to resell the stuff on Amazon. So if you like this topic, make sure to subscribe and let's do it. Okay, so how you can make more profit doing retail arbitrage and resell it on Amazon, or you can resell it on eBay. It's okay. Uh, the first secret and the first tips I can say so, when which I find through my experience, it's the rarity of the product. And what I mean by that, the normal law of the market, it's supply and demand. If the supply is high and the demand is high, they will match it and there will be an equilibrium, I think, if I can say so. But if the supply is low and the demand is high, the price will skyrocket. And this is the first secret that I see that nobody talks about. And you have to find products that are rarely available. And when you find those products, but also in the same time you have to realize how much demand it's for the product, because if it's scarce but at the same time nobody wants it, it doesn't really matter. So this is the first trick. And the retail arbitrage that I do, it's at Costco at the most of the time. I do at Costco, very rarely somewhere else. I do online wholesale as well, but the profit is way lower, so that's why I like a lot retail arbitrage at Costco. So what I find out, some products, when they are gone, they're gone forever from Costco. You're not going to be able to find it in other places. You're not going to be able to buy it somewhere else. At least you manufacture it yourself. So those products you can sell at like 300% markup on Amazon from Costco, because what Costco do, they buy a big wholesale, if I can say so, a big number of product at the same one. They call the manufacturer. They say, look, they find it. They have like a sales team that they find those products. They find the manufacturer wherever they do. But because they have so much buying power, they will be able to negotiate extremely low price from their deals. So they'll buy this product extremely cheap, and probably they'll buy from China, they'll buy it from, I don't know, somewhere in the Asia, extremely cheap. And those company agree, because if you buy like £500,000 of one product, of course they will sell it cheap for you. So they will agree. So, and they sell it and they ship it in the UK and they sell it. But because usually Costco want to sell it fast, they're not gonna mark up extremely high. They will mark up like 15% and they will sell it. So if those products are available only on Costco and nowhere else, this is your like the golden bucket, if I can say so. And you can buy it and resell it on Amazon for a big markup, but will it have to be at the same time kind of rare. So if you go into the Costco and you find in every warehouse like 500 units of the same product, and you go again after 2 weeks and you still find at the same number of the units, it means that it's not very much demand for that product. And yeah, people doesn't buy it. So if it doesn't sell on Costco, it's not gonna sell on Amazon either. Probably will sell slowly, but not as fast as a thing, even if it's unique. But if you go in the opposite side of the coin, I can say so. If you go and you find 500 units, and if you go the second week and you find only 100 units, doesn't mean it's a lot of demand for that product. They selling fast. And what you should do to buy it all. One tactic that I use, if I find this kind of products, I go in every single warehouse on Costco and I buy it all from everywhere. So I'll be the only one having it. Because Costco, what they do, if even if they see the product selling fast, by the time they order it again, they'll be like 1 or 2 months past. so you have a lot of time to resell it for extra high profit. So like I find product that I buy it for £100 in Costco and I resell it like for £350 on Amazon. So this is the time. And also the competition, if you buy it all, because there'll be other people doing the same business, you're not gonna have competition if they doing the same thing as you do, retail arbitrage. So it will be everyone will have the same source, right? But if you buy it all, it'll be only you having it. This of course is come with risk, but not very much for Costco, if I can say so, because let's say you make a mistake and doesn't sell, well, on Costco you can bring it back and they refund you without question. So this is one very good hack, one secret that nobody talks about in the space, and this is work for retail arbitrage. Uh, for other business model, I don't know. There are plenty of business models, but this is one hack of, and which I focus the most. It's yeah, it's this. I like it. It's I can stay all day here in front of the computer, like for example, in sourcing different products, wholesaler only, and ship it straight to the warehouses on Amazon. But it's kind of boring staying all day in front of the computer. So this is one hack, if I can say so, one trick, one secret to reveal for if any of you do this business model. So this is the video for today. If you enjoy it, make sure to like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I see you the next time. Bye bye.